from different countries. Australia, the land of kangaroo. Ireland, the Emerald Iceland. India, the land of spices. Myanmar, the land of golden pagodas. Thailand, the white elephant. Russia, the land of motherland. Germany, the Peninsula. Saudi Arabia, the land of the two holy mosques. Canada, the great white north. Cambodia, the hell of the world. China, the red dragon. Brazil, the lungs of the world. France, El Hexagon. South Africa, Rainbow Nation. Mongolia, land of blue sky. Italy, the board. Afghanistan, graveyard of empires. Sri Lanka, India's teardrop. North Korea, Armed Kingdom. Egypt, the gift of the Nile. Japan, land of the rising sun. Philippines, the pearl of Orient Seas. Bangladesh, the land of river. Iceland, land of fire and ice. Nepal, roof of the world. USA, Uncle Sam. Singapore, Lion City. Ukraine,